Hi, I'm Movie Smart Cat, and today we talk little about the gold and titanium version of the Nokia 3310 by Caviar. Meet the Caviar Nokia 3310 Supremo Putin, which, as the name suggests, is inspired by Russian President Vladimir Putin. Nokia 3310 Supremo Putin, along with Nokia Titano, both by Caviar, has got to be the most exquisite Nokia you can buy. Caviar, a Russian-Italian company specializing in creating bespoke luxury iPhones that are hand-assembled from the most exclusive materials. The device features a gold-plated portrait of the Russian president on the back, along with a gold seal with a quote from Russia's national anthem. Going along with the theme, there is also a gold-plated front button, with an image of the Russian coat of arms. The entire exterior is allegedly crafted out of carbon fiber too. The Titano edition, while looking less striking compared to the Supremo Putin edition, has what is allegedly an exterior crafted out of bulletproof titanium, and is decorated with engraved patterns, inspired by Damascus steel. Obviously, with such a premium material being used, this model is practically drop-proof. Both Caviar editions of the Nokia 3310 will ship in a beautiful wooden case, lined with black velvet. As one might expect, the cost is rather high, 99,000 Russian rubles, to be precise, which equates to almost $1,700. At the current exchange. Maybe you won't buy this phone, but who's to say Donald Trump wouldn't? So, that's all for now. For more news, stay tuned. If you like the video, like and subscribe for more. And be sure to leave a comment down below. Bye.